When you first left me, I was wanting more, but you were fucking that girl next door. What you do that for? When you first left me, I didn't know what to say. I never been on my own that way. Just sat by myself all day. I was so lost back then, but with a little help from my friends, found a light in until at the end. I know you're calling me up on the phone, so you can have a little one and